Hello Zimbabweans, welcome back to Mass Vibe. L12 Mathematics, it's Say John. Today, together a coordinate geometry involving equation of a circle. Remember last time, takaita coordinate geometry at time we done the equation of a straight line. Now, takuta the equation of a curve, equation of a circle, right? So, a circle is defined as the locus of points P, which are equidistant from some given points C, A, B. Suppose the distance of the points from C is R, then CP. The distance CP is the distance between point C and the point P, right? So those are got sits up, but the distance between C and P those are got sits pano up. Kana mchiri kurangara coordinate geometry yatakaita pa previous slide itaura zve equation the distance between 2 points. Saka now the information yese ichokwanisa kuisa pa diagram like this. We have a circle like this one, right? So we have some points. We have points P. Any point which is point along the circle, which is any point which is equidistant from this point C, number coordinates A and B. So we have many points which are equidistant from this point. So the point, upper, S points are along this line, and it are equidistant from point C, right? So in this case, there was a point P patoda. For example, the point P panap, which is X and Y, which is point P. But my points are actually one. That's why the locus of points P points are one. So suppose there's a point P panap. The distance between P and C, do I told radius, which is R now, which is the radius. So the radius, you wanna say the distance between any point in the circle and the center. You wanna say taiti isusu. We do a distance. You baba scap. Taiti square root of x minus a squared. X minus a squared, right? Plus y minus b squared, which is equals to the distance, which is r, which is equals to r, right? So I think I'm going to video record the geometry equation of a circle. No, video say distance between 2 points, right? So take a square to square both sides, square both sides to square the saka x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equals to r squared. This is the equation of a circle. This is equation of a circle. Don't get it pano up. Saka those are this thing. Don't get it simple, right? So x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared is the general equation of a circle where a, b is the center and radius, r is the radius, right? So a, b, I want to say a, b, can center a, b, don't put a distance with x minus a, then y minus b. So we do a center foot over to equation. Just equate this to 0 and equate this to 0. We talk a value of x and value of y. It is a and b, right? Saka, now, example, find the center and the radius of the circle, right? X squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 2y is equals to 4. Wakatasa kudaiso zuna kuneza kuti uone kuti radius ndiani and the center ndiani. But nufana kudusela to this form. Pakutsa to this form, wakutoza kuti center kana pakadaiso x minus a, saka x is equals to a, so value ya center x coordinate the a, then y minus b is equals to 0, y is equals to b, then coordinates the b. Saka tufana kuchika form yakaita sei. Saka ukakomplete square panapa, ukakomplete square hapa. Unaona x minus 2 next complete x zvega y zvega. X minus 2 squared minus 4. Kana usingagoni complete square, you can download the video or watch the video takaita mashure completing the square kuma quadratics. Then ukakomplete square ubaswap. Then minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. You can say kunoita 9. Unoita 9. Saka 4 plus 9, 4 inoita 5. Then 4 plus 5, which is 9. Saka 9 is 3 squared. So we have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared, which is equals to 3 squared, right? So let's take up now. Achane kuti one center. Wakutoza kuti r wako squared. Saka radius ndi r, not r squared. Saka radius ndiani? Ndi r Saka number inenge yakasquare panapa ndo radius. Saka now utakuza kuti r is equals to number yakasquare panapa ndiani? Ndi 3. Saka r is equals to 3. Then center c. Center c is equals to ukaequate this to 0, x minus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to 2. Then panapa ukaequate to 0, y minus 1 is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. Saka 2 na 1 is our center. Saka zvakapusa kutsvaka center and radius. A given equation of a circle. This is the equation of a circle. Kana tika expand kubva apa, expand kubva apa. Expand ukabararidza unodzoka pa something chakaita sechichi. Right? And pa next example. Alright, another method. Now utaona r are 3 and center are 2 na 1. Another method, guys. Pane nyaya yema equation 2 ayatina why. These are the general equations of a circle. Right? This one and this one uchasa rese raungoda. Zvichimbodipenda kuti pa general equation paya. This is general equation of a circle. Kana uka expand zvakanaka uchaona something chiri in this form, chiri in this form. Because apanga paina negative, so uka expand uchaona apa paina negative. Because center yako yave positive. Tizoka. Right? Uchaona apa negative because center yako yave positive. Saka center kana iri positive zizvi painozoya pana apa ndama negative apa. Saka ndinozokupa negative apa. Then kana center yanga igara iri negative, for example tine center minus g na minus f. Ukaenda panapa ukazoti x minus g inozoita x plus ita plus panapa. Uka expand up general formula yako inozobuda ine plus panapa. Saka ukaona equation ine plus na plus apa, which means center yako yaiva nema negative yes, right? So tine way yekutsvaka center nayo inonzi yo minus g minus f. Unokwanisa kungoti g f ndo center yako. But minus g minus f unoishandisa kana une equation rine ma positive pese like. Then g and f unoishandisa kana une equation ine ma negative pamwe because ndongada kuexplain reason zvacho. Right? Saka now is also given this equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. Mukada kukombera nema equations aya. Ukatarisa panapa equation rako rinenge raiva ne center iri positive. Ndizvo here. Saka unokwanisa kushandisa kuma equations ese kutsvaka center. Saka tichataka equation 1 toshandisa equation 2. Nepamusoro nepazasi. Right? Saka tikada kukombera manje panapa. Takukombera kuti panapa panga paina 2g panapa. Now pavana minus 4 because x and x, y squared y squared, x squared x squared. Hapana zvinhu zvakochinja. C and c. But panga paina 2g pavana minus 4. Saka tikangoequata 2g na minus 4 takutoona value ya g. Saka 2g is equals to minus 4. Saka g is equals to minus 2. Right? Then takukomberawo 2f is equals to minus 2. Panga paina 2f panapa. Now pavana minus 2. So f is equals to minus 1. Right? But I should the equation repamusoro nema positive, which means reva ne center nema negative. Right? Saka center yacho tinoiwana sei? Tinozongoti minus g minus f. Saka center is equals to minus g and minus 2 minus f and minus 1, which is 2 na 1. Zvakafanana nezvatawana apa izvi. Then ukada kushandisa the next general equation iyi rine negative apa rava ne center iri positive. Unoya panapa kuti wewe pavana minus 4 paimbova na minus 2g. Minus 4 is equals to minus 2g. Saka g is equals to 2. Right? Then minus 2 is equals to minus 2f. Pana minus 2f, in this case, pana minus 2. Saka f is equals to 1. Right? But e ndo yava ne center positive. So kana uda kutsvaka center, unongonotora ma values ako awana f na g direct ndo center yako iyoyo, which is 2 na 1 because pana vakanzi g and f kana washandisa this equation. Right? Saka minus g minus f, g na f. Right? Saka unofana kunyatsonzwisisa kuti unoshandisa which one. But unokwanisa kungonyanya kufarira this one zvako iyi. Ndio ndonyanya kufarira zvangu ini rine minus rine ma positive pese wesa ma minus zviri simple izvozvo. Then kuzotsvaka center, kuzotsvaka radius manje. Radius yanzi inotsvakwa sei? G squared plus f squared minus c ndio r. Saka r kana wava na g wava na f hazvina basa kuti washandisa which method. Ukabudisa nema negative nema positive zvamufanira because panapa ucha square g na f. Hazvina basa kuti wambona f ari negative here, g ari negative here. Ucha square g uka square f achangoita ma positive value. Saka unongotora chiro kwawada chiro ukashandisa any method r ndeimwe. Saka r will be equal to square root of katika square g tika square f tunaona 2 squared plus 1 squared minus c ndiani? C in this case is minus 4. Saka minus open bracket minus 4. So I'm finding with plus 4. So ukati 4 plus 1 plus 4 inobva ita 8 plus 1 which is 9, which is square root of 9. which is equals to 3. Right? So this is another method yekutsvaka center and radius. Unoshandisa maformulas aya g squared plus f squared minus c. Then this for center. Zvichindira kuti washandisa which equation apa. Simple, right? And you can my examples. Right. Find the equation of a circle passes through 3 points. 0, 1, 4, 3, and 1 minus 1. Right? Here's the first method. Method to solve this type of equation. Right? Trader say, unongo allocate ma points ako pa circle. Pa unongo da pa circle. Chokasa apa. As long as I have 3 around the circle as na basa. Right? Then you join 2 points. Over join after 2 points. So unopasa ngo join apa, join up. Kana join up, join up. Kana join pa ungoda as long as you form 2 chords. Right? After you form 2 chords, you bisect the first chord. You can bisect any chord of the circle. The bisector passes through the center. If you bisect any chord of a circle, any chord, even the diameter is the longest chord of the circle. You can bisect the diameter. Line that bisect the diameter that passes through the center, right? So now, if you bisect this chord, this line L, let's say L, passes through the center. And if you bisect this chord again, this line, let's say M, passes through the center. So when the line L and line M actually passes through the center, which means they will intersect at the center. Can I intersect at the center? Because now, from a theorem such as the coordinate geometry, we can find the gradient of this line. After finding the gradient of this line, you can find the gradient of this line, the perpendicular bisect. After also a gradient of this perpendicular bisect, you can also a midpoint. So that when one point in a column line, the gradient line here. Then you talk equation of this line. You can talk equation of this line. Wait at the same kuno. You talk a gradient line here. Then you talk the gradient of the perpendicular bisector. You talk a midpoint. One midpoint. You talk equation of the line M. So you can one equation of line L and the equation of line M. You solve them simultaneously. If you solve 2 lines simultaneously, you find the point of intersection. Now we have one point which means we have my coordinates per center. So given my coordinates per center, we have to radius. So radius need to say, we have coordinates per center, 1 point per circle. We have distance between those 2 points. Can we have center near this point? We have distance between this point. Can we have center near this point? We have distance. Distance here I find kusiana. Ukatoka distance kubva hapo kusvika apa, nekubva apa kusvika apa, nekubva apa kusvika apa. Zvinofana kufanana kuratidza kuti wagona. Right? Saka now center wavanayo sei panapa wana A na B panapa. Wakutoya kuti center kana wavanayo, radius wavanayo, wakuenda pa equation redu riya. You can write the equation of a circle, right? Saka let's do it. You can pause the video and try to solve. Right? Now, chekutanga find the midpoint PQ. Find midpoint PQ. Katanga midpoint PQ zvakanaka apa 0 na 1 is this, number 1 na 2 na 2. Then the gradient of PQ, also the gradient of PQ, which is equals to half, right? So the gradient of PQ is half, which means the gradient of the perpendicular bisector is equals to -2. Then the equation of line M, I want to put the equation line M, we're going to this, y is equals to -2x plus 6, equation 1, right? Equation 1 java naro. Now let's talk equation 2, this is equation n. To find out midpoint, the gradient first, right? So the midpoint of that gradient, 5 over 2 and 1, then the gradient of line QR is -3 over 4. Gradient of n -3 over 4. Right? Then equation of n. This is equation of n. You can simplify over upper. Right? So this is equation 2. The equation of n is equation 2. If you solve this equation and this equation, you find the point of intersection. You can solve an equation simultaneously all over here. X is equals to 5 over 2 and y is equals to 1. Ndongaiva pa havana mna challenge kutsvaka kusolve simultaneous yakadai so. Kana usagona kusolve simultaneous equation, go back futi ku topic yema simultaneous equations ye video pa Massive channel. Unodzidza kuti how to solve simultaneous equations, right? So after one center, this is x and y, ndoma points epanapa center panapa. 5 over 2 na 1 ndoma points epa. Now one center yako, unotsvaka distance between 2 points, distance between this point, distance between this point. using this formula. 5 over 2 minus 0 squared, known as 25 over 4. Then 1 minus 1 squared, known as 0 squared, which is equal to 25 over 4 squared. Square root yacho inobva 5 over 2. Right? Saka radius kubva panapa kusvika apa pakareba 5 over 2. Right? No radius yedu. Saka now tava radius, tava center, hapana chanetsa. Takutodzokera paequation redu iya toti x minus this, x minus 5 over 2 squared plus y minus 1 this squared is equals to 5 over 2 squared. Ukasimplify apa zvakanaka unosara equation rako rakadai so, which is x squared plus y squared minus 5x minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. Right? Ndokunga maona tine mhaka iyi apa pane manegative. Apa pane manegative because center yedu yanga ine mapositive. So takuita paya right. Saka hatishandise another method. Tinoda kuti tiweke method yedu kusvika yasvika apa. Tishandisa another method, right? The next method, right? We have this the general formula x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Unokwanisa kushandisa yene negative, inema negative kauchida hazvina basa, zvinozofanana paunosvika paanswer, right? So zvatakuita manje, we know this point nepoint. Saka zvekutanga tichasubstitute point. This is x, point x and y. This is point x and y. This is point x and y. So tichasubstitute pese pana x tichisa x uyu, pese pana y tichisa y uyu, tiwana equation 1. So tikaisa 0 apa inobvaita 0, tikaisa 1 apa inobvaita 1 plus tikaisa 0 pana g apa, pana x apa inobvaita 0. Saka tosara apa pana 2f plus c is equals to 1 is equals to 0, which is equation 1. Then equation 2 takusubstitute mavalues aya, pese pana x tikuisa 4, pese pana y tikuisa 3, right? Saka tikaisa 3 apa, 3 squared plus 4 squared is 25. Ikaenda kuseri kuenda minus 25, 8g plus 6f plus c, right? Then equation 2. Then equation 3 takusama points aya, 1 squared plus 1 minus 1 squared inobvaita 2 minus 2 kuno. Then apo 2g minus 2f plus c, right? Equation 3. Then name my equation 3 to also oversay simultaneously. To also oversay my equation 3 simultaneously. Mono to video simultaneous. Mono is how to solve 3 equations simultaneously. Saka unongo make one of substitute formula. Saka c is equals to minus 2f minus 1. Ta make c substitute formula. Ta kuno substitute my equation iri. So that no sara tine two my equation are in terms of g and f chete. Ta eliminate c ni ungwaru. So pana tika substitute pakapa ina c up. Tukuisa minus 2f minus 1. Pakapa ina c up. Tukuisa minus 2f minus 1. Right? Tika simplify tosuka up. Then taku subtract. Taku add 8g plus get 10g. 4 minus this zopera. Then minus 24 minus 1 is minus 25. Tika divide g is equals to minus 5 over 2. Right? G is equals to minus 5 over 2. Taku ina equation here. Taku notsvaka value ya f. Kaisa minus 5 over 2. Pangapa ina g. Nona fr equals to minus 1. Then c takata eliminate put make substitute formula panapa. Saka c is equals to minus 2f minus 1. As f takunziva f do minus 1 because minus 1 up divided minus 1 times 2 which is 1 which is 2 minus 1 which is 1. Saka c is equals to 1, g is equals to. Saka tawana value ya c, tawana value ya f, tawana value ya g. Isutine the original equation rina g na f na c. Pangodzokera tamuno replace pana g takunisa g watawana, pana c takusa c watawana, pana f takusa f watawana. Ndizo. So tikadzokera x squared plus y squared plus 2 g wedu ndiani minus 5 over 2 pose g tamwana panapa plus 2 uyu. Then f ni minus 1, f minus 1, right? Minus 1 y plus c ndi 1 plus 1. Ukasimplify payapa 2 anokatsana na 2 posana na minus 5x. Saka x squared plus y squared minus 5x minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0, which is same as tatambo budisa per first method, right? So ndo answer anobuda guys. So ndakupa na questions kuti mu practice, ndakupa na questions and answers then mu practice, right? So guys, taweka ne methods 2 akasiyana yeseko ne imwe ya equation ye. Saka now pane my questions panapa a b c. Find the question of a circle passes through these 3 points, these 3 points, these 3 points, right? Saka imimi kutuwe perfect method ukaweka this using the first method or simplify equation that goes with this form, then ukaweka kuti another method tukayashika up iwa ndo answer saka ukaweka hapo ndo answer hii. Saka weka ne 2 methods usvike paanswer 1, then uweka futi this question usvika paanswer 1 ne2 methods, then uweka futi this item C ne2 methods, unofanira kusvika pasame answer. Ukaona wadai so wakuziva equation of a circle zvisingaite. So ndo pari kuperera coordinate geometry involving equation of a circle. So guys, thank you for watching our videos guys. Tinoramba tikukurudzirana vakomana nevasikana atipoenda iwo tichinosubscribe. Unogona uchisendera mavideos nenzira dzakasiyana siyana, umwe angodhanobva kukusenderawo, asi kauchinakirwa nemavideos edu zvakanaka kuti ungoenda wega mumwe musi painternet ungotenga kadhata kashoma wosvika utongowochawo ubva watanga kusubscribe nekulike mavideos edu. Musakanganwa kuti bata pawhatsapp vada kuita macomments vasina data vaya, mukwanisa kuti bata pawhatsapp 07831833381. Thank you guys for watching our channel Mass Vibe.